You getting in?
Oh, she's going to be a policewoman now.
I don't think that's the best way to get in.
Hello.
But you've managed it. Well done. Turn round. Can you turn round?
Drive it with a bottom.
She'll get annoyed soon.
What are you doing, Meredith? What are you up to? You got in backwards. You have to drive the car with your bottom. Hey? Got a face.
Turn round. There we go.
That's better.
Woop woop. Sound of the police.
Ooh, 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 ooh. What? You know what she's thinking, don't you?
You want to get in that other one? Not this one. Oh, she's going to move it back.
We're reversing the police car. Beep, 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 beep.
Her little face is so funny.
I know, she's so expressive, isn't she?
She just looks like my dad.
I say that so many times, don't I? How Verity looks at Uncle Hugh.
Yeah, she does. That one.
Are you getting in or out? You in? Hey?
Oh, that was nice bacon.
I could smell something stronger than bacon before. Not from Verity. Wow! Good reversing.